Hi, Coach Tom here. Today I'm talking about the top 10 foods to promote health and longevity. And I'm going to make this very simple. Any 10 fruits that you can find are going to be the answer, okay? Because most people don't give enough credit to fruit, okay? Fruit is numero uno for human beings. It's like rocket fuel, okay? It's high in fiber. It's got the purest water on the planet, filtered water in the fruit. It's pure. And it's loaded with minerals, vitamins, and phytonutrients. Very high vibration food, ripened by the sun. So it's extremely good for us. And I think if you really want to be healthy, you have to eat a lot of fruit. I mean, you don't have to overdo it. Eat enough, though, and I think that people have gotten into the habit of not eating enough fruit. It's become more of a secondary type food, an in-between meal snack, whereas I will many times just make a huge fruit bowl. I'll take strawberries, blueberries, mango, grapes, bananas, mix that in a bowl, then maybe blend some bananas and pour that over it, maybe throw in a few nuts or seeds, and you've got an awesome fruit bowl. And you can eat that as a meal. And don't think that it's not giving you a big bang, a big nutritional bang for your buck. It's very high in minerals, vitamins, phytonutrients. Okay, fruit is not just a in-between the meal snack food. Because when you look at the Bible account, when God first put us here, that's what he gave us to eat. It was, any vegetable plant bearing seed or any tree bearing seed. Fruits and vegetables bearing seeds. That is our natural food. And when you look at, babies, when they're crawling around and they're exploring, they pick something up, they put it in their mouth, and if it's not sweet, they don't want it. But if they find something sweet, you give them a piece of fruit, and they're all over that. Yeah, give me some more of that. They love it because that's our natural food. So we have to get back to that, our natural food. That's what it is. It's fruit. There are other things, of course, we can eat. And I don't condemn anybody, even if they're eating meat, that's up to them. But, we have choices now. We don't have to eat meat because we have, fortunately for us, we have plenty of produce. We have plenty of fruits, vegetables. So, try it. Get your 10, 15, 20 servings of fruit a day. Watermelon, grapes, pineapples, mangoes, apples, oranges, bananas. There's so many of them, and they're all so good for you. Bananas, for instance, really good for your gut flora. For your good bacteria, bananas, number one. Okay, so, and remember too, fruit is a very cleansing food. So it's constantly detoxing you. And with all the fiber and the water, your internal plumbing is working very smooth. So I can't recommend it enough. If you're on a vegan diet, the other good thing about fruit is that it's relatively high in calories. Okay, so you're going to get calories. So you can't beat fruit. It's one of the best foods, and one of my favorite things to do is put some fruit, like bananas and strawberries, in a blender with some leafy greens. I'll take some spinach, some moringa leaves, and maybe even some romaine lettuce, some lettuces, whatever, any kind of greens. Put that in there with some bananas and some strawberries. You can put a little almond butter in there if you want a little fat in there. And man, all you got to do is add water or coconut water, and you've got an awesome smoothie. A smoothie that'll love you back. Okay? We don't want to eat those foods that don't love us back. So anyway, please, take this recommendation, take your fruit consumption up, and you're going to see a big difference in your energy levels and in your recovery. Okay? Because it's constantly alkalizing you and keeping you cleaned out. All the best. Take care.